Alnassr to give the home side plenty to think about. There's Alnassr, the Arab Club Cup final, after his move from Olympique Lyonnais.
Imagine when Steven Gerrard delivered that team talk to life.
Alnassr brought in Cristiano Ronaldo. That was also scoring 3 goals on day one in Riyadh.
In and around the hour mark.
Before we get underway, we can remind ourselves of the 2 lineups. It's here on a stiflingly warm night in the southwest of the Caribbean. On the ball for Alnassr, looking for gaps, looking for opportunities, looking for Mane, and Sadio Mane gives Alnassr the lead inside 4 minutes. A lovely sweeping move, and Sadio Mane has his first Saudi Pro League goal.
And what a goal it was.
Now a pretty lively challenge on the edge of the penalty area. The referee took his time to think about it. Henry has headed it straight to Mane, who'll have another go. Paulo Victor looked a little concerned.
Wow, that wasn't
Playing in that position for Alnassr tonight. Henderson looking for Dembele, nearly finding him as well.
Yeah, it was a good attempt, it was a good run from deep from Dembele.
Round, Mane at the heart of it. Henderson thought he'd been able to get hold of the ball fairly, but the referee felt he got to Tisserand. Looking for a bit of pace up towards Son and Dembele, both right in the centre. That's in by El-Swahi. That's there to be attacked. And that is it. Football was on loan in Italy with Cremonese last year. And anticipation and talent. Now can he find the end product? Al-Hassan Ali looking for the run of Mane. Mane's in there. Well, that came off the back of Tisserand. A collision between goalkeeper and the Al-Nassr captain Sadio Mane. And I think the free kick has been given the way of the goalkeeper. Mane adjudged to have been jumping into him.
Well, I think Sadio Mane.
Gareb, who's sparkled tonight. Tidied up by Tisserand. Now Moussa Dembele. Offside.
Sadio Mane is not really playing directly up against him. He's at
An opening here, Jordan Henderson. Hoisted in by Conan. Draws the foul from the ettifaq number 32.
good foul to get. I think he realised Sadio Mane.
That's not a bad ball. That's not a bad effort. Drawing the save from Nawaf Al-Akidi. Saving their best till last in the first half.
That was a better ball, that from Henderson.
A frank exchange of views between the 2 head coaches at the break. George Castro. Al-Nassr lead at ettifaq by 2 goals. It's in by Henderson. Henry made the run in behind. Oh, it's dropped by the goalkeeper. Now, was he fouled? Looks like the goal is going to be given. VAR will have a look, but that won't stop Robin Quaison celebrating.
Well, that's a bizarre.
Al-Sharari to decide. He's the man in the VAR. Fewer than Al-Adha, who are actually relegated, is what the substitute was sent on to do. Vitinho. Khatib to Vitinho. Oh, it's parried. And then off Moussa Dembele. What a start to the second half this is from ettifaq. Whatever Steven Gerrard said at half-time, it appears to be working absolutely beautifully. From 1-0 down to 2-1 up in the space of 8 second-half minutes.
That's because the passing is so much better, it's so much crisper. And you can see
Brazilians, he's got Scotsmen, he's got, and not to mention Swedes as well, at the international. That's a lovely build-up, a little touch and onto the post. So close to equalising there, Alnassr. Maybe a little pull back there by Hendry. Dembele useful in both. Khatib. Is there. Tester from Alnassr, but the nature of the test wasn't too severe.
Played well, Alnassr.
It was his assist, wasn't it, for the goal? Coutinho thought he was away, but he's fouled Nawaf. Well, the Liverpool strip. And Karib are the two players who go off. Plays on, spotting the gap. How strongly was his length on the initial impression?
Sure, Paul, or the push, I think he just felt that.
The second half, 2 goals within the space of 6. Khatib. Oh, back off the post. Oh, it's over. That's a fabulous save from the follow-up. And for the second time in this second half, Alnassr hit the frame of the Ettifaq. Neat little glance on, appeals for handball. And look at them appeal to the referee. VAR may well be called into action here. Well, Gandhi looked a little sheepish there, didn't he? With 10 minutes plus added time to play. Bouassel. Not a bad.
Fortunate good partnership those two, Tisserand and Jack Hendry.